Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sekinah Super, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make your lightning black soap. So here are the benefits of this particular soap on the screen right now, and make sure to take a screenshot. Without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to go through the ingredients together. So the first thing we're going to be needing is our black soap, of course. So I'm using 250 ml of pure African black soap. Okay, this might be a little bit over 250 because I heaped it, but nevertheless 250 grams of black soap. Then we're going to be using our Oshaprapra soap, and this is 125 grams of Oshaprapra soap. I just grated them, and this is what it looks like. Then the next soap we're going to be using is our Ozone soap. This is 85 grams of Ozone soap. Okay, so I just grated this as well. Now for our other soaps, we are also going to be using the white Ghana soap, and we're going to be using 60 grams of this. Okay, 60 grams of our white Ghana soap. This helps to cleanse and remove impurities from the skin. Okay, our next soap that we're going to be using is a 3-in-1 kind of soap. So we're going to be using these 3 soap balls. The first one right here is our whitening white soap balls. Then we also have our whitening green soap balls, and then last but not least is our anti-pimple soap balls, which is the 3 days anti-pimples soap balls. So I'm going to be using about 8 of the anti-pimple soap ball, about 2 of the green whitening soap ball, and about 5 of the white whitening soap balls, and that is about that. So what we are going to be doing now is we are going to be combining all our soap in our trusty mortar and pestle, which is what I'm doing here right now. I'm just going to be putting all the soap in the mortar and pestle, and this black soap is being stubborn. So I'm going to add everything in the mortar and pestle, and I'm just going to pound this together. Like, I'm basically going to roughly pound it together, and then we'll move on to our next ingredient. Now that all the soap is in the mortar, I'm just going to go ahead and roughly pound this together. So enjoy while I struggle to pound this together, guys. You have to use all your energy to mix this soap because they are all very, will I say, tacky or stretchy. So like, it can be hard to pound them, but when you get used to it, you get used to it. Anyways, watch me as I struggle. Okay, you guys asked for it, so it is here. Our classes are back. So this month we're going to be having 2 classes. We're going to be having the first class from the 7th to the 9th of April, and then the second class will be from the 14th to 16th of April. I'm super excited about this class, so check out the screen for the details and how to register and what's not. If you have any question, please send me a DM on Instagram, or you can leave your questions in the comment section below. Now at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add my powders and literally other ingredients. The first powder I'm using is turmeric, and this is about 15 ml of turmeric powder. I always use turmeric. It's amazing on the skin. It helps to get rid of dark spots and hyperpigmentation. I'm also going to be adding some Kojic tape, about 5 ml of Salicylic Acid, about 5 ml of Camwood powder, with a little jar. So I'll just take a minute to show you guys my gloves. I have a bunch, like a whole box of gloves. I know people are going to be in my comment section and be like, oh, why are you not wearing gloves? You're making black soap. It's not hygienic. Well, I'm making this stuff for myself, so I didn't really need to wear a glove. I'm just showing you guys the glove, so you know. So this right here is lactic acid. I'm adding about 5 ml of lactic acid. This right here is mulberry powder, but it's molded up, so anyways, we're adding 5 ml of mulberry powder. This is aloe vera gel. We're also going to be adding to this mixture. I just got this aloe vera gel and I'm testing it out for the first time. This is my first time using it, and I guess I'm going to tell you guys the feedback later. So I'm adding rosehip oil, about 5 ml of rosehip oil. I'm also going to be adding some rose oil. So rosehip oil is actually different from rose oil, so in case you don't know, so this is rose oil. I'm just going to be adding about 5 mils of the rose oil. Also, we're going to be adding some turmeric oil. Oh my god, turmeric is like my holy grail. I can't make black soap without adding turmeric in any form, whether powder or oil. So this is about 5 mils of turmeric oil. You don't want the oil in your black soap to be too much, so this is lactic acid, the liquid lactic acid. I added the powder lactic acid earlier, so this is liquid lactic acid. Also this is hibiscus extract. I'm also going to be adding 5 mils of hibiscus extract. Also, this is the nano half castle whitening serum. You guys know the serum. I use it in almost all my lightning black soaps. So I'm also adding 5 mils of that. Also, this chow serum. This is very, very good for repair, for skin repair, and some dark patches. This actually helps too. So I'm adding 5 mils of chow serum. So this is a new serum that I just got. It's called the Kojic Gluta Papaya Alpha Abutin something. So I'm adding 5 mils of it. I actually got this serum because it smells heavenly. It smells amazing. It smells like vanilla, but I guess it's a lightning soap. I mean lightning serum, since it has glutathione in it and alpha abutin. So that is basically everything. I'm just going to pound this together until I get some kind of combined consistency. So watch and enjoy this ASMR. I had to go off camera to finish the pounding because, girl, that was hectic. Anyways, this is the final consistency that I got. I'm going to go package this into the containers, and you leave it to rest. So I went ahead and poured them in a container, and this is what they look like, fresh out of the mortar. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like texture wise. As you guys can see, it's filled up 2 containers. There's a 500 ml container and then a 250 ml container. So that is 750 ml altogether. So I want to show you guys the consistency. As you guys can see, there are still some particles that have not fully dissolved. It's still kind of chunky, but it has this pasty and watery consistency, fresh out of the whatever. So you are going to leave it to rest. Now this is it after 1 week. That's why it's important to leave your black soap to rest and then to combine. So this is after 1 week. You can see that it is smoother. The ingredient has combined and it is more stretchy. It is less watery at this point. It is more paste like. Okay, it's like a semi-solid soap at this point. So yeah, that's basically how I use it. Now I'm just showing you guys again. This is a 500 ml container, the bigger one, and then the smaller one is a 250 ml container. So together it's 750 ml altogether. So yeah, that is basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Till next time, bye.